Okay, welcome back to the video. For this lesson, we're going to start with linear equation in one variable, which is 2.2 in your book. And for this video, we're going to specifically talking about solving linear equation in one variable. If you remember, the order of calculation will be PANDAS, which is parentheses, exponent, multiply and division. They're the same order over here, as well as addition and um, subtraction. So they're the same level over here. And to solve a linear equation, we're going to do the opposite way. So we're going to start with the addition or subtraction, then we're going back to multiply or divide. We normally don't facing the exponents, so I will not mention about anything over there. But if we have parentheses, we're going to distribute first. So let's see one example over here, see if we can use that. So for question 1, we have 2x plus 7 equals 19 over here. So this is a two-steps equation. We're going to isolate the x to find the value for x. So I really don't need the coefficient of 2 and the constant 7 over here, so I'm gonna remove them. So the first thing is we're going to think about is either adding or subtracting. So to remove the 7, we're going to take the opposite operation. We're going to subtract 7 on both sides of the equation. So here we got 2x plus x and minus x, plus 7 or minus 7, it cancel out over here. Then we're going to have 19 minus 7, which is 12. Then we're going to divide 2 on both sides of the equation. We got x equals 6. And this is the answer. For question 3 over here, this is a harder one. There are parentheses. So when we see the parentheses, we normally distribute it inside, so we can distribute the 4 inside the parentheses. We can distribute minus 5 into the parentheses. So let's see, 4 times x, we got 4x. 4 times 3 minus 12 plus 12. And then on the other side of the equation, I have 15 minus 5x. Then here, you're going to distribute the negative 5 or subtract 5. Then over here, we're going to have 5 times 6. We're going to swap the sign for uh 5 times 6. So over here, we are going to have minus 30. So we can combine the constant over here together. Minus 12 plus 12, that cancels out, that's 0. So on my left hand side, I have 4x. My right hand side, I have negative 5x. Then minus 15 minus 30 over here, it is minus 50. Well, I have the variable on one side, so I need to remove the minus 5x to the other side. So I'm gonna plus 5x on both sides of my equation. So let's see. I'm gonna draw a line so I can identify which side is which side. So plus 4x plus 5x, we got 9x over here. 5 and negative 5, it cancel out. Get negative 15 over here. Then the last step over here is to remove the coefficient of 9x, which we're going to divide 9 on both sides of the equation. So in this case, x equals negative 15 over 9, but you can simplify that by dividing the top and bottom of the fraction by 3. So over here will be negative 5 over 3. And that's all. Right now, please pause this video and do question 2 and question 4. Check if you understand it, and I will post the answer on the Georgia view. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next one.